The effect of COVID-19 on tax revenue has been drastic, with many employees working less hours or being told that they've been retrenched. The pay-as-you-earn that used to bring in about 40% of tax revenue will no longer be doing that. With a lot of businesses going into business rescue and liquidation, the effect on corporate tax and value-added tax is huge. It has a knock-on effect. People are not spending, so the VAT doesn't come in. Corporates aren't making the corporate profits that they used to and are having to keep their cash to pay their staff. Added on to this, the ban on cigarettes and alcohol has meant a reduction in the customs and excise taxes that have been coming in. Imports have also slowed down, reducing those taxes as well. Minister Tito Mboweni told us that South Africa had a budget deficit of about 370 billion rand. The Commissioner has now told us that we can expect about a 15 to 20% reduction in tax revenue over the next year, leaving us with a tax shortfall of about 285 billion rand, which leaves the country in a precarious situation. Certain relief measures have been provided to many businesses, and we're hoping that they will be able to help them and see them through these times, that they continue to employ people and start making profits. Because at the moment, they've got relief on, for instance, the Skills Development Levy, but a lot of these relief measures are only timing differences, and that means that the cash is just deferred. And that's another concern, is that despite the fact that SARS might show that it has a debt book that is accrued to it, unfortunately, because of the cash implications that many businesses are in, that might not be the amount that SARS is actually collecting, leaving the country in a precarious situation, having to fund so many in need and ensure that we have a proper healthcare system to take care of the COVID-19 virus, to ensure that it runs effectively so that our economy can get back on the run. Leaving the country with the only other option, if it doesn't get the tax revenue, is bringing in or taking on more debt, which leaves us in a slightly worse situation.